In this video, I'm going to test DJI Mic 2, connecting it with DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro along with Insta360 X5. So let's see how it sounds like. It's quite windy today, and there are some vehicles around. So I think so that the quality should be fine because the mic is inside my helmet, and not much of a difference I can see. Okay, so right now I've changed the microphone setting and I have turned on the noise cancellation. So right now the audio should be much more cleaner than that, and there will be very less noise, or I would rather say that there will be no noise at all. Even the exhaust note that you were hearing before, probably now it will be much lesser than that. So what you heard right now is the comparison between no noise cancellation and noise cancellation when DJI mic is connected with the DJI Osmo Action Pro.